Manus Software presents the world's most powerful cloud-based post-processor developer. It is really easy to use because it is not a text editor but a designer. Manus Post Developer has a huge CNC post-processor library. Create and customize your post-processor just by clicking where you want to edit. A single screen that can manage everything. If you want to use scripts for advanced applications, you can do so by adding small scripts wherever necessary. Manus Post Developer allows you to create one common post processor for multiple CAM software. Analyze each NC line in its creation process and identify the active operation type and the APTCL line. You can create and compare multiple NC programs, making it easy to identify the differences. You can keep your finalized post processor forever, even if you choose not to renew your Manus Post Developer license. Manus Sim. Fast and affordable CNC simulation and verification software. Manus Sim has a huge CNC machine tool library of 3, 4, 5, and 6-axis milling machines, mill turns with turrets, mill turns with B-axis heads, and mill turns with sub-spindles. With CAM integration modules, transfer all your data quickly from the CAM program. And it simulates real NC programs for many control units. Manus Sim has collision and collision risk detection, axis over travel detection, rapid cut and gouge detection, and C program error detection features. And it also has cut stock and model comparison, cutting information display, tool length optimization, split stock manager, and many other features. Manus Sim Optimize is an NC program optimization tool that can reduce your machining times by 10% to 50%. But how? Let's check the types of error cuts. Touch moves inside operations. The tool touches a material but doesn't cut. No contact moves. CAM software generates tool paths that miss the material, leading to error cuts. Unnecessary home returns and distant retracts. The tool moves back to the home position or retracts unnecessarily between operations. Here's what can Manus Sim Optimize do for you. Error cut feed rate optimization. This module accelerates feed rates during no contact and touch moves, automatically detecting non-cutting moves and adjusting them with a single click. Error cut minimization. It eliminates unnecessary long retracts and home returns, replacing them with optimized positioning moves just above the surface. Cutting feed rate optimization. It adjusts feed rates based on real-time chip geometry, not just volume. It optimizes feed rates to match changing chip loads and cutting conditions. Thank you for watching.